Why do people snore? 7. Alcohol and sedatives. The use of alcohol and sedatives can relax the throat muscles excessively, leading to increased snoring. It's important to note that snoring can also be a symptom of a more serious condition called sleep apnea, where the airway becomes completely or partially blocked, causing pauses in breathing during sleep. If snoring is accompanied by other symptoms such as daytime sleepiness, morning headaches, or witness breathing pauses during sleep, it's advisable to consult a healthcare professional for further evaluation and appropriate treatment.